Hello and welcome to Improved You. There's no scientific formula or tried and tested theory that would guarantee you the woman of your dreams. The law of attraction, like any other force, is natural and simply comes to be. You cannot cultivate the seed of love or care in someone. These come naturally. However, if you already have someone's attention and want to nurture it, or if you consistently wonder how to make a girl think about you, then there might be certain tips and tricks to help you out. This secret will make her think about you nonstop. How to get any woman to notice you. 10. Be genuine in your compliments. Whoever said that the way to a woman's heart is through sweet talks and compliments got it partially right. Compliments are not biased to any gender, but then men who do not forget to pay the right compliment at the right moment make a lasting impression. However, it's more important to be genuine than right. While cliched statements and elaborate hyperboles might get you a woman's attention, you may not be able to hold it for long if you're not genuine. Remember that there might be 10 men out there complimenting her looks in 10 different ways. How about you compliment how gracefully she walked to the stage and handled the audience? Perhaps add on how you liked her confidence. Make it more about her personality than her appearance, and you will definitely make a lasting impression on her. 9. How to make a girl think about you through text. Puzzled how to make a girl think about you through text? It's a great way to get her to start pining for you without actually physically being there. Once you understand the basic rules of texting, you will be good to go. While there are numerous ways to make yourself memorable when you're together, texts are the easiest trick to make a girl think about you when you're not around, assuming your girl is a text person and not a call person. If you've seen each other in the past, then bring up a meme about something you share in common. Is there an issue that troubles you both? How about the latest Marvel trailer? On a more intimate note, share a cozy on-the-bed picture and remind her of what a great time you had. This online flirting trick is going to leave her wanting for more. 8. Be attentive to tiny details. The secret recipe for memorable dates is a good and meaningful conversation. And as much as it is important to talk, open up and share, it's equally important that you listen. And not just listen, but really listen. Did she mention casually about avoiding a certain person or bring up a bitter memory? How does she like to have her morning coffee? What ticks her off or uplifts her mood? You might be wondering how this is going to be helpful for you to impress her. Well, women are very attentive to the smallest of details. They may not show it too obviously, but they do notice and remember everything. And it's not about the birth dates and first dates, but also how well you remember the ending to an anecdote or which fictional character is her favorite. If you do remember these seemingly small details that are important to her, you are sure to make an incredible mark on her heart and mind. To really make a girl interested in you when she is not, show her that you care about every little thing that she says. 7. Don't be too eager to impress. Constantly ruminating over how to make her think about you but cannot come up with any other decent technique? When this happens, most men resort to showing off and start feeling like they are in a race. Whoever makes the first and best impression would win the trophy, her precious attention. But to make a girl think about you constantly, sometimes you need to know when to hold back and when to indulge her desires. If you overcommit, you're bound to come across as a superficial lover, too eager even though your intentions might be genuine. Do not act too distant or play hard to get. No one likes the idea of dating a player, but at the same time, simply do not say yes to everything she asks for. 6. Accept her as she is. How to make a girl think about you all the time does not end at impressive conversations or eager attempts. There's more to the art of showing her that you are the right person for her. People fall in and out of love way too soon, often because they dash at the first sign of a behavior or trait that they don't feel comfortable with or ready to accept. But she's going to be comfortable and feel secure with you only if she knows that she can be herself around you. And this means that you're going to have to accept the not-so-nice side of hers with the same openness as you embrace her qualities. Once you do that, you know what can make a girl fall in love with you. 5. Be honest. No matter how deeply you like her, there's no point in faking emotions either to justify your feelings or to please your woman. Because in the shorter term, things may work out in your favor, but at some point, you'll have to face the music, and all the truth is going to start pouring out eventually. If things are working out well, make it a point to tell her so. If at some point you feel her thoughts and actions aren't sitting well with you, don't hesitate to share that too. It's important to be as honest and clear as you can be. Being evasive or playing hard to get is overrated. Every girl wants a guy who, at the end of the day, is reliable. Dependable not because he has to be, but because he wants to be. Being reliable is all about telling a girl that she has security with you. Try to be the most reliable guy you know. Do what you say you're going to do. If you talk the talk, walk the walk. Girls don't like guys who say they're going to do something and never follow through with it. Be punctual. Even though some girls are late to dates, a girl hates it when she has to wait on a guy. To her, it says, "I don't care enough about you to be on time." If you're going to be late, let her know. Have a good reputation. Be the guy other guys want to vouch for. You never know whether she or one of her friends could ask around about you. And if she hears how you cheated on your ex-girlfriend, your reputation is shot and you'll have to rebuild it. 4. Treat her as an equal. Are you always looking for a way to make a girl think about you? But more than your cologne and your hairstyle, the way you treat her really matters. No one wants a partner they can keep chasing. Having someone to walk side by side with is the real deal. For that to happen, you need to treat her as an equal, be it in the bedroom, a restaurant, or your entire life. Respect her choices and value her opinions. Steer clear of mansplaining or assuming the authority to tell her what she should or shouldn't do. 3. Make plans for the future with her. Commitment might not be the first thing a man looks for, and that does not make you a commitment phobe, but it is one of the top 5 things a woman looks for if she is serious about you. So if you're thinking of how to make her think about you and are planning to take the next step up, then start making small plans with her now and then. Even if it means jokingly planning out your honeymoon trip. Give her a little hint and a little taste of where you really want to take things with her. These conversations, even if they're about the distant future, give her hope that there is going to be a future. That's imperative to keep her invested in you. 2. Be passionate in the bedroom. Physical attraction is as important as an emotional connection if you really want to get those mutual attraction feelings running. So don't take your time in bed lightly and give her the night of her life. Channelize all your desires to enhance your intimate moments and make a girl fall in love with your body, soul, and the fire you carry within you. Just give her enough to keep her wanting more. Good sex life is just as important as romance in keeping the spark alive and burning. 1. Girls love surprises. A woman needs to feel special if you want her to think of you. And with this trick, she won't just be thinking about you, but will be telling all her girlfriends what a great guy you are. How to make a girl think about you all the time? Make sure you feel like she is the most special woman in the world for you. Who doesn't like a well-timed and unexpected surprise? Surprises comprise both sweet gestures and immaterial gifts. From planning short and sweet dates to gifting her her favorite lingerie, there's a lot you can do to make a girl think about you constantly. Do share with us in the comments if you have more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.